Hi, I'm Lisa with VacuumWizard.com and we're reviewing the Electrolux Ergo Rapido Ultra. First up was a small particle test on carpeting. We used flour to simulate dust on the ground. The Ergo Rapido Ultra cleaned up this mess easily, needing only one pass to clean up each area of the mess. It did a great job on the larger particles. We crushed up crackers and it cleaned these up easily. For pet hair, the video looks like it did a good job, but when we look closer, some of the pet hair was still on the rug. This Electrolux has a 180-degree swivel head, so it turns easily and fits under furniture nicely. On hard flooring, it did a good job for our small particle test with the flour. It didn't clean the edge totally, leaving some flour behind. We tried cleaning head on and from the side, but it didn't get the edge clean. For the large particle test, the Ergo Rapido Ultra didn't suck up all the crushed crackers. Some got kicked out and spit all over the floor, making a bigger mess. We suggest for larger particles to use the handheld vacuum. The Ergo Rapido is a 2-in-1 machine. The handheld vacuum is stored right on the upright. The tools are stored on the charging dock. There is an upholstery brush, which has bristles in a triangular shape. For tighter spots and narrow spaces, there is also a crevice tool. You can clean stairs with the upright version, or you can take the handheld out to clean every little nook and cranny. There are two modes, low and high for the vacuum. On high, its noise level is about 75 decibels, and on low it's just under 70. The filtration system isn't perfect as more dust came out of the exhaust than there was in the air. Maintenance is no fun with the Electrolux Ergo Rapido Ultra Plus. You have to empty the dustbin after every use. Then you need to tap out the dust on the cloth filter by pulling the orange tab multiple times. You should also wash out your filters after about 5 uses. Just run them under water for a bit and leave them out to dry for